Okay, so going for the bath in Murguma Dam. Okay, so we are in the lake right now, as you can see. Okay, so we are leaving this place. Right now the time is 1:05 p.m. This was our room, this one and another, that one. I hope we don't left anything inside. Yeah, let's go. And right now my Odo is 363.6 kilometers, and distance to be traveled today is near about 330 or something like that, was showing on Google Map. And estimated time of arrival till now is 11:30 p.m. So this is Murguma Nature Camp where we stayed last night. It's cheap and affordable, but the food quality was not that great. I will give the link in the description box below if anyone wants to come here. At first I would like to warn you, this place is run locally by the people. Okay, so don't expect any kind of sanitization or anything like that. It was clean enough, but no such sanitization facility or anything. Okay, so if you want to come at your own risk. Okay, let's go. See you guys on the road.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
क्यों लो? हाँ? लावली व्यू रास्ता दे।
That's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
बेबी पीकॉक डर गया। चलो तो टाइम चेक 3 PM। उस गैरेज से कुछ काम किया हम लोगों ने, गिर गया था। 2 people had a fall yesterday, तो उस गैरेज से थोड़ा ठीक ठाक किया सब कुछ। and now it's time to leave again.
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.
Finally touched the highway. Okay, so time check. Right now it's 3:30 and we are still near Purulia. Just got refueled. फिर पानी पिया, थोड़ा टाइम वेस्ट चलता है क्योंकि अभी तो फुल हाईवे एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू अवॉइड द हीट ऑफ द सन. दैट्स वाई अभी धीरे धीरे जा रहे हैं. बाद में जब सन सेट हो जाएगा then we will ride serious. Right now मतलब ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे चलो let's go.
Search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Okay, time check. Right now it's 4:46 p.m. and we were maintaining quite good speed and stopped here for a tea break. This is what happens when you stop near any highway. Attention seekers, these are. Let's go. Now next stop at Durgapur, which is around 56 kilometers from here. There we will eat some food. By the way, the time right now is 5:20. So 5:20 p.m. and we are still around. And Kolkata is another 221 kilometers. 221. Let's go.
Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Traffic jam in the middle of nowhere. What? This bomb is paining. What is that? Okay, time check. It's 7:10 and we just stopped at this place in Durgapur. We are maintaining a really slow speed. Whatever, that's it. We are leaving and the time right now is 8:45. We are pretty behind the schedule. Go. এই তো দুর্গাপুরে এখানে একটা জায়গায় খেলাম রেস্টুরেন্টে. আমি হেভি কিছু খেলাম না কারণ যদি ঘুম পায় সেই জন্য. আমি খেলাম একটা হট অ্যান্ড সোর স্যুপ, চিকেন স্যুপ আর একটা কর্নেটো আইসক্রিম. হ্যাঁ এসে ভাত খাবো. আচ্ছা, আমার আসতে 12:30. হ্যাঁ 12টা 12:30, কারণ রাত্রিবেলা তো স্পিড বেশি মেনটেন হবে না. मॉम्स लाइफ, टेंशन तो होगा ही. बेटे ने कितना भी लॉन्ग राइड किया हो, मम्मी का तो टेंशन होगा ही. सोलो भी मैंने किया है, अभी तो इतना जन है. फिर भी टेंशन तो होता है. चलो कोई नहीं. Those guys are filling up there. I still have more than half tank of fuel, so that is around 8 to 9 liters easily, because this one has a reserve of 5 liters, so easily 8 to 9 liters, so easily. And home is only 190, so no need of refuel, because I am expecting to get a good mileage, around 30 maybe. Okay, time check. Right now it's near about 11. It's 2 minutes before 11, and we are at Shaktigarh. Took some Nidana and other one, what was that? Nidana and Shitavo, yes, for home. From this shop, it was about to close, but we were just right on time. Next stop is Dakshineshwar, and there is nothing to show but same boring highways. So if something interesting happens, I will definitely show you guys. Okay, right now the time is 12:10, and I am in Dankuni Toll Plaza, but there is a problem. One of our guy, Amandip Da, who was riding the hunk, his chain broke in the middle of nowhere in Shingur, and I was already around 15 kilometers ahead of them, because so now I am waiting here. They are pushing it with the legs and coming till here. Then let's see what jugaad we can do. Okay, so this is the jugaad right now. चलो इंडियन মানে जुगाड़ কিছু করার নেই. হ্যাঁ একদম হ্যাঁ. এবারে ঘুরছি, হ্যাঁ বাদিকে. আচ্ছা তুমি ছিল না. হ্যাঁ এই বাবা বুঝতে পেরেছি ফুলটা. আচ্ছা টানছি এবার, ঠিক আছে. यार मारी so we are right now in Dakshineshwar, and the time right now is 1:25. Okay, so we are in Dunlop, as you can see, and Amanda को इधर ही छोड़ दिया, and now time to head back home. Okay, so I'm finally home, and total distance on my bike is 702 kilometers, but it was reset I think after 15 or 18, something around like that. So it was approx 720 kilometer trip, and it was so much adventurous, man. Right now the time is 1:50 p.m. sorry a.m. and I'm home. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are more videos coming soon. See you guys soon.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder
This is called nature bathroom.